Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and simple breakfast, some turkey bacon, scrambled eggs, and mini waffles. Now, I got all of my ingredients from Trader Joe's. You don't have to get them from there, but that's just currently what I have in my refrigerator, so that's what I will be using. So to start, I'm going to be turning the stove on to medium-high, and then I will be applying some non-stick olive oil spray to the pan and just evenly coat it. Now I will be starting with the turkey bacon, as that takes longer to cook than the eggs, and I do not want the eggs to be cold while waiting for the bacon. So I will just be placing each of those flat in the pan to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Now here I am just going to flip it so that it gets nice and crispy on each side and golden brown. Now I'm just going to plate it and set it off to the side so that I can start on my eggs. So I'll be using 2 eggs, and I did lower my heat down to medium at this point, but I did not clean the pan in between because I like to use the bacon grease as flavoring and as oil to cook the eggs. Now I'm just finally chopping up the eggs, as I do not like them wet, so spreading them around, chopping them up, make sure that the heat distributes evenly so that each piece is nice and cooked. And just finally chopping it up into little bite-sized pieces. Now this is the time that you could add any seasoning that you like. I forgot to add it at this moment, but I did add it a little later. But you could add some salt, pepper, Mrs. Dash, garlic, whatever it is that you like. And here I'm just adding the Mrs. Dash, since I forgot to do that before. Just sprinkle a little bit on. That's all you need. And then I'm going to thoroughly mix it to make sure each piece is nice and seasoned. During this time, I did throw the mini waffles into the toaster oven for about 5 minutes so that they got nice and crispy at the same time the eggs were cooking, so that they'd be done at the same time. And here you go, your scrambled eggs, turkey bacon, and mini waffles. This looks so good. And all I did was just pair this with a cup of orange juice that I also got from Trader Joe's. This really is a nice, quick, simple breakfast. Can be done every day and tastes really good. I did pair the eggs with Frank's Red Hot and the waffles with Aunt Jemima's original syrup, just to add a nice sweet and spicy flavor to this. If you guys like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and comment below what your favorite eggs and bacon combination is. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.